In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on OmeTV app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, if you haven't done so already, download the OmeTV app, and you can do that by visiting the Player App Store. So once you're inside there, search for OmeTV, and then you want to click on OmeTV. It's this one here, the orange one here. So I'm going to click into this, and as you can see, this has, if I scroll down, over 100 million downloads, and it's got 550,000 reviews. Is this the one you want to download and install? Once you've done that, go ahead and click on open. And then once you've opened up the app, you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. I don't know why it's glitching out. Here we go. So once you open the app, it'll look like this. So you can continue with your Facebook account or continue with VK. And then you've got to make sure, confirm that you're at least 18 years and then accept that. So yeah, choose either Facebook or VK. If you haven't got any one of these apps or signed up to anyone at the VK or Facebook, go ahead and sign up. And then once you're signed up, you can continue the account creation process. So for demonstrations, if you want to create an account with, continue with Facebook, I'm going to go ahead and click on Facebook. It's going to redirect me here to Facebook. And then I'm going to put in my email address and password, click on login. And then that will redirect me back to OmeTV to create my account.